thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mount Clemens, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Baltimore and Harson's Island around 7:35 p.m. Algonac around 7:40 p.m. Marine City around 7:45 p.m. St. Clair around 7:55 p.m. Marysville around 8 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Anshoreville, North Street, Adair, Lynn Township, Rattle Run, Goodells, Brockway, Smiths Creek, Fairhaven, and Wadhams. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: St. Clair, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45.